Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, brothers, and the other side of the camera.
Hello.
So, I don't know what we're supposed to be doing today. What are we going to do?
We are going to be running from this fence. Then she's going to run.
Cartwheel.
One cartwheel all the way to this ball. And then she's going to go run cartwheel all the way back to right here.
Okay.
Not all the way over there, right here.
Okay. Get up on the thing.
Yeah.
When you're running, pause it.
We can't. We're actually doing a video.
I know, but you were pausing so you're not shaking it so much.
I can't.
Let me see.
We're on YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're here. Let's go.
I'll get pie right now, Mama.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. She's there. 3, 2, 1, go. She's there.
Okay, so I'm going to go eat pie. Let's go eat pie.
What's that?
Pie.
Oh, pie.
Real pie.
Bye. Bye, everybody. We're going to be leaving.